everyone, my name is Deborn or Hairbuzz or whatever you wanna say. So welcome to my first hair product review ever. So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be reviewing Gatsby Mohawk Wax right there. For those of you who don't know Gatsby, it's let's come on with this product. It's one of the most popular brands. I'm going to first show you on just my dry natural hair. I just got out of the shower and it's a bit damp right now, so I'm gonna dry it off. Then I'm gonna show you on my dry hair, so you can see what a product do by itself without any build up with any past products or any preparation. So as you can see, I've got naturally very straight hair. It's not dry right now. It's just pretty thick. As you can see, kind of very straight and very flat. So as you can see, my hair length, it's down to here, so it's kind of below my eyebrows. It just touches my eyes. It's definitely shorter on the sides and however longer on the top, just showing you so you can get an idea on how the product will work. So just give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna dry my hair and I'll be right back. So I'm back and my hair is completely dry. It's completely natural, however not that fully dry, because I'm not using hair dryer. It will take time to get completely dry. So one important thing to consider before buying this product that might influence the decision is this product is extremely sticky. As you can see, it's like a jelly. You can really mess up the process if you are not careful. Also, another thing to consider is that it has the most unsmelliest smell that I've ever smelled ever. So what I mean is that it has no pleasant smell. So it's not about it, that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this much right there. Just take a small scoop on your palm and like this. I'm gonna start with this much right there. It's a very thin and sticky product. It's very light and easy to use. Now the next step is that looks like there's nothing, as you can see. Start with this much and as you can see, like this. Then apply it all over your hair. So actually you should start from the back, as you should. By the way, I'm not going with any particular style right now. I'm just kind of putting it so you guys can see what this product looks like. So as I mentioned before, this is very sticky. My hands are still sticky now. You can't see, but yes, it is. Make sure that you don't use this product too much, else you'll end up having some serious stickiness over your head. So the product's been in my head for I don't know, like a minute now, and it's starting to get a good hold. I mean, yeah, it's really getting good hold as the time passes. So I gotta add a little more because I have a dense head of hair. Take this much amount in your second step, like this. Just rub it, as you know the process. So doing some final touch-ups. So as you can see, it's like that. So as you have seen what this product can do with your natural hair, so I'm kind of happy with this product, and this brand is just awesome. Your hair will be pretty much in place, of course, if you're going into a restaurant and then coming back home at night, your hair will be in place. So as you can see, you've got a good hold out of this stuff, and you can touch it up throughout the whole day and it's gonna end up looking great at night when you're finished. So the conclusion, like this product, go for it if you're happy with such stickiness. You can manage such stickiness, but it will give you some good hold, as you have said just now. So I gave you my point of view regarding this product. Now you give your point of view in the comment section down below if that's cool. So again, my name is Deborn and thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.